Welcome to another video. Tata introduced a subscription plan for their electric car Tata Nexon EV. Today we are going to compare Tata Nexon EV subscription plan and Tesla's subscription plan. Do you know how much does it cost to lease Tata Nexon EV? You have to pay a fixed monthly price to drive Tata Nexon EV in this subscription plan. Does that really work? We are going to checking out. I hope this video will help you out to choose between buying and leasing an electric car. We are going to open Tata Nexon EV's website and Tesla's website to compare the price for their subscription plans. So we are going to open the Tata Nexon EV subscription website. If we press the subscribe now button, it will open another menu. Okay, here I think I have already selected the Delhi NCR as the location, and here we have option to select different colors. So I go for the first one itself, the default color. I am going to lease this vehicle for 36 months and monthly usage is 1500 kilometer itself. It would be pretty much enough for a normal drive. So I choose 1500 kilometer per month. If you choose these three options, then we will get the pricing details. The pricing details are as follows. Here we have to pay 34,900 rupees per month, and there would be a one-time refundable security deposit of 50,000. Here we can see a comparison table of subscription and buying. So if you subscribe, you have to give 0 rupees as down payment. If you buy, then you have to pay 1,54,153 rupees as down payment. If you pay 10% of the on-road price of the vehicle as down payment, this 1,54,153 rupees is 10% of the on-road price. Then you have to pay 47,918 rupees per month for 36 months. In the case of subscription, you have to pay 0 rupees as down payment, and per month you have to pay 34,900 rupees. The advantages here are we don't have to pay the road tax, insurance, maintenance and services. The problem here is that they will cap the maximum speed of the vehicle as 80 km per hour, and after 36 months you will not own the vehicle. You have to return the vehicle back to Tata. So you already paid 34,900 rupees per month for 36 months and you will not get anything. I will open calculator and I will show you how much would you pay in 36 months. 34,900 rupees into 36 months. In total you will pay 12,56,400 rupees. It is almost 154,153. It is almost 81.5% of the total price of the car. So in 36 months you are going to pay 81.5% of the on-road price of the car to Tata, and finally you will not own the car. That's what happens if you subscribe to this Tata Nexon EV plan. Keeping this in mind, let's go to Tesla's leasing plan. This is Tesla's website where we can choose the leasing plan. Here I am selecting Model 3, standard range, rear wheel drive. 37,990 rupees is the total price of the car, and annual miles is 10,000 miles. That means per month it will be 10,000 by 12, 833 miles. It will be more than 1,000 kilometers per month. Here the term is 36 months. So the down payment, here we have an option to give some money in advance itself. So here I am choosing down payment of 0 rupees for a better comparison with Tata Nexon EV. Here we see the monthly payment is $506, and at the time of signing you have to pay 1201. That includes the order payment and acquisition fee. In the coming 35 months you have to pay 506. So total you have to pay 17,710 plus 1201. It is $18,911. Total price of the car is $37,990. So you are paying just around 50% of the price of the car. In the case of Tata Nexon EV, you are paying more than 80% of the total price of the car. in 36 months. Here you are paying just 50% of the total price of the car. If you just convert this value to rupees, 18,911 into we are assuming the conversion rate is 75 rupees. It is 14,18,325 rupees. It is almost equal to the total price that you paid for Tata Nexon EV. Yeah, let's convert this 506 into Indian rupees. So it is 37,950. Here we are for Tata. In the case of Tata Nexon EV, you are paying 34,900 for a car that worth 15 lakh rupees. Here you are paying this much money, the almost the same, 37,950 for a car that worth into 75, 28.49 lakh rupees. In this comparison, we didn't consider the depreciation, any other costs involved, and the accurate value of conversion rate, inflation, etc. Anyway, if we compare these two, it is clear that you are paying more than 80% of the total price of the car in Tata Nexon EV's case in this monthly subscription plan. If we compare the monthly price for the subscription plan of Tata and Tesla, both are almost equal. According to my opinion, the leasing plan of Tata Nexon EV is not that good. It will actually not economical. If you want to own an electric car, of course Tata Nexon EV is the best selling electric car and one of the best electric cars in India. So if you are going for an electric car, think twice before choosing between subscription and buying. Here we compared the leasing plans of two different type of electric vehicles, but this comparison shows you if the subscription plan of Tata Nexon EV is a good option. Here we have a video about the top 5 electric cars in India. Don't forget to watch it out. Thank you so much for watching this video.